Hello, beautiful souls. Have you tried oil cleansing for your face? I'm here to introduce you to our new botanical holistic skincare line called Wilder North, and we carry 3 of their facial cleansing oils, and I wanted to tell you a little about them. We have the berry enzyme. Check out that beautiful amber color. This is for your drier skin types, your more mature skin types. It has additional enzymes: papaya, pineapple, strawberry. Watch out for allergies. Please let us know if you have any fruit or plant allergies. But this one is especially good for those drier skin types for a little extra resurfacing. And then we have the blue chamomile. Can you see that beautiful flash of blue? So this has rosemary and blue tansy oils. A lot more oil than that. Those are the highlighted oils in this. This is for your more sensitive skin types, but this is the most popular oil by this line. So it's really good for all skin, but especially sensitive skins. And then we have the Golden Seal Free and Clear, and this one is more appropriate for acne skin types. Look, it even has a beautiful little flower in there. So yes, oil cleansing for the face. This helps to deep cleanse the skin while simultaneously leaving it more nourished and moisturized. Great for winter, but it really is great for a deeper cleanse. Some people, their skin is dry enough that oil cleansing daily is appropriate. Some people might just want to work in oil cleansing for that deeper cleanse a couple of times a week. But I just wanted to show you the blue tansy oil, and I won't be actually applying it to my face, but you would just simply on dry hands and dry skin take 2 to 3 pumps, and then you would of course rub it in just like you would your regular cleanser, focusing on eye makeup if you need to remove that. Also just focusing on any areas of congestion. If you tend to get more blackheads and congestion through your T-zone, then you're really going to want to concentrate in that area, not forgetting about your jawline. And just kind of cleansing all over. And then removal is really easy. Just take a nice steamy washcloth, and then you can take that washcloth and just hold it to your face and enjoy the aromatherapy benefit. These oils are so beautiful. They smell so wonderful. So take a moment to just take a deep breath, and then using that warm, steamy cloth to remove the oil. Now, for some people that's enough, and that just leaves the skin conditioned and clean, but you can follow with a second cleanse, either with a normal foaming face wash, or Wilder North also has this coconut chamomile powdered cream cleanser with coconut milk powder. And you would just mix that powder into a little paste with a little warm water, and you could follow that oil cleanse with that creamy powder for a little deeper cleanse as well. So oil cleansing for the face. Come check out our Wilder North products.